Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the studio. Thanks for coming back for a new video. Today is a special day. It's a collaboration day with the fellas. Garrick Brown put together a collaboration with the fellas. This is actually the second one. Did it last year. I wasn't able to take part in that. So thank you so much for asking me to be a part of it again for this time, Garrick. Today I am messing around with, well, actually I should say, the last couple of weeks I've been playing around with really encompassing negative space on my paintings. So what I really want to do is I really want to start making some abstract paintings, maybe doing some palette knife work, creating some odd shapes on the outside of the perimeter of the pour. So that's what I'm kind of hoping to do with this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a flip cup and drag along the canvas, get a nice little design out of it, and then use my palette knife hopefully to maybe add some embellishments. So let's get down on the canvas, let's get painting. I'll be right back. All right guys, so what I've got is a 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. It's taped and push pinned on the back. What I have done is mixed up 5 colors, and what I plan to do today is just a flip cup, and I'm going to drag it across the canvas, leaving negative space on both sides. I'm really liking this effect. I think these colors are going to really go well, and I'm using a color that I don't use that often because I kind of forget about it. So let's talk about the colors real quick. Today I'm using the Prussian blue from Amsterdam. I'm using quinacridone nickel azo gold. And this one's on the thinner side, so I gotta be careful with that. This is a combination of emerald green from DecoArt and a light green from Creative Inspirations. Titanium white from Creative Inspirations. And DecoArt 24 karat gold. My pouring medium is Liquitex gloss medium, Floetrol, and a little bit of Elmer's glue all to kind of thicken them up a little bit. However, the nickel azo gold is in the fluid acrylics, so had to use a lot of that to thicken it up, and it's still on the thin side, but I think I'm going to be okay with that. All I need for a canvas this size is 11 ounces of paint. However, I intend to leave negative space. So this is an 8-ounce cup. So I'm going to fill this pretty much all the way up. So I'm going to start off with some Prussian. Nickel azo gold. Green. Gold, green, white, some gold, and blue. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour here, and then we're going to bring the cup this way. 1, 2, 3. Not too bad. Now the cup is suctioned to the canvas because there's no hole in the cup to release the paint. I could do that. It would kind of be like a grenade pour. We'll give it a little poke. jag var. There we go. Now it's starting to come out. So now I'm just going to kind of bring it around this way. Just erase a little bit there that poured down. I know a lot of the paint is here because when I lifted the cup, that's where a lot of it came out. But what I want to do is I want to keep the negative space. So I'm just going to come back. I'm going to bring this out a little bit over here and come back. Right. What I'm going to do is I need to push a little bit of this flow extender down. Still got a little bit too much paint on here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring some line. This looks a little too jumbled down here, so I'm gonna break it up a little bit. All right, here we are with the wet result. I love it so much better that I added I broke up this bottom left hand corner. It was looking a little too jumbled, so it needed some lines to match up there like in the right hand corner. So let's start over here with the negative space, of course. All right, so now we're starting to see how the lines are kind of coming from the right corner and down here to the left. So I wanted to break up this bottom left-hand corner, give me some of those lines that we get up top. Now let's see how this dries. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here is the dried result. Really dried beautiful. Love all the outside lines that was created there with the palette knife. Let me bring you in here. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I love the movement. I love the palette knife work. It got a little too almost jumbled up and messy down here. So by using the palette knife, I was able to smooth it out a little bit so it didn't look so jumbled. See how the lines kind of move this way up here at the top? So now I kind of made that happen down there at the bottom. I like the negative space, so I'm enjoying, again, playing with negative space. So very happy with this piece. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna turn it over to Dominic. He's next, so let's head over to his channel. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.